Support from a business think tank for Act's idea to shrink government. The New Zealand initiative believes it would lead to a faster, more transparent system. Act announced 2 policies at its weekend AGM pledging to shake up the welfare system and cull the number of ministries from 43 to 19, led by 18 ministers. New Zealand Initiative Executive Director Oliver Hartwich agrees our current structure is too complicated and allows for bureaucracy to protect the status quo. Hope's cross-party support for apprenticeships will translate into more skilled workers. Labour's pledged to restore a 2-year $500 employer subsidy under the apprenticeship boost and provide apprentices up to $1,000 for work-related costs. It follows the government doubling Trades Academy places in the budget. Motor Trade Association Head of Advocacy James McDowell says these help attract people into industries. He says the trades are as future-proof as possible in this AI world. The number of MPs claiming full accommodation allowances has skyrocketed. In 2009, about 10% of eligible MPs claimed the bonus. Today, that figure has jumped to about 75%. The rules are intended for MPs who are not from Wellington to cover the cost of working there. MPs can claim $36,400 a year, while ministers can claim up to $52,000. 30 current MPs who have property interests in Wellington claim the accommodation allowance, and 28 of them claim the maximum amount. Hostilities between the US and Iran have flared again, with new US strikes on Iranian targets and reports of attacks in the Gulf. Bahrain has reported an attack involving several Iranian drones. And a UK maritime security agency says a merchant vessel had been struck by an unidentified projectile. Tens of thousands remain unaccounted for after last week's Venezuela quakes. More than 1,400 people have been confirmed dead. Winter is making its presence felt at the country's hospitals. A Waikato Hospital ED nurse says she's experienced the worst ever patient overload day in 18 years, just less than a month into winter. The New Zealand Herald reports more than 300 patients went through the ED on June 8th. Health NZ's confirmed the figure, saying it was unusual but staff were adaptable. And a public health expert is urging people to get vaccinated this flu season to help reduce the burden on our health system. Respiratory illnesses are expected to begin spreading more widely through communities, with cooler temperatures making more people stay indoors.